Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how to prevent DNS spoofing, and I will be putting the code in the description as well. So you can make your own anti-DNS spoofing tool with this code right here. As we go into edit in Notepad, this is your command. Echo at, and then the rest here. So color A, all that does is it changes the command prompt to the color green. But this is gonna be your command sequence. You're gonna save this as .bat. You're not gonna be saving it in Notepad like this. You're gonna be saving it as .bat. So that way it'll work. And if we go to Google, go back to the command. Simple as that. And this is what it does right here. It can help protect against DNS cache poisoning by removing potentially malicious spoofed IP addresses. Again, so that way you don't have to type into the command prompt every single time. You can just click on the icon, or otherwise known as a GUI, and it will work for you. Hopefully this helps. Please share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.